Hello kids, welcome back again in maths class in standard 5 subject maths chapter number 4 factors, addition and subtraction. Today I am solving exercise number 4.4 question number 4. Find the difference and write it as mixed fraction. First you find that both difference and write it as a mixed fraction. You get answer, this answer you write in mixed fractions. So look here all students, here given mixed fraction. First this mixed fraction convert in improper fraction. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14 minus 14 out of 5 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 out of 5. Here both denominators are same, so write you one time and directly 14 minus 11. 14 minus 11, 3 out of 5. This fraction is proper fractions. Now next one. Here both denominators are different, but first you convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4, 25 out of 7. Minus 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8 out of 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. Then 25 out of 7 multiplied by 5 out of 5, because here the same denominator, first we convert the same denominator. So 8 out of 5, which digit multiply with 5, you get it 35, 7, 7 out of 7. 25 5s are 125, 7 5s are 35, minus 8 7s are 56 and 5 7s are 35. 35, 125 minus 5, 56. 125 minus 56. Cut here, write here 15. 15 minus 6. Take it 6 finger before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. Again here, cut here 1 and write here 0, 11 minus 5, 69. We get answer 69 out of 35. This fraction is improper fraction. So first we this fraction convert into mixed fraction. 69 divide by 35. 35 2s are 70. So 35 1s are 35. 9 minus 5, 4, 6 minus 3, 3. So we get answer 134 out of 35. Next one. First we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Out of 8. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 out of 4. Here LCM of 8 and 4 is equal to 8. 23 out of 8. 11 out of 4 multiplied by 2 out of 2. 23 out of 8 minus 22 out of 8. We get answer 1 out of 8. Now next one. 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 3. 25 out of 11. 11 1s are 11 plus 2. 12 out of 11. Here both denominators are same. So we can directly the subtraction. Here 5 minus 2, 3 and 2 minus 1, 1 out of 11. 13 divide by 11. 11 1s are 11, 2, 0. We get answer 1, 2 out of 11. 1 2 out of 11. Again one time 11 2s are 22 plus 25 out of 11 minus 11 1s are 11 plus 1 12 12 out of 11 25 minus 12 out of 11 13 minus 11 13 out of 11. We get answer is 1 2 out of 11. Now next question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. When 0 add with any fraction, you get it answer same to same. So here 9 out of 13 plus 0 is equal to 9 out of 13. Two number you add in any order, you get it answer is same. So here 13 out of 130 plus with digit you get it answer here same. So 95 out of 460. Same it is 95 out of 460 already here. So which digit is missed? So here this one 33 out of 103 is a miss. Now 16 out of 29 minus 16 out of 29 both are same, so minus we get answer here 0. 19 out of 31 minus 0, so we get answer is same to same because 0 has no value, so here 19 out of 31. 9 out of 7 plus 3 out of 5. Fraction we add in any order, you get it answer is same. So here 9 out of 7 already here. So which one is a miss? So 3 out of 5 plus 9 out of 7. Here both fraction are same and here minus symbol. So minus both minus. So it is 0. 1 out of 143 out of 275 is minus 143 out of 275. You get it 0. 0 plus any fraction you get it answer same. 1 out of 5. Here which one is a miss? 19 out of 80. 19 out of 80. 317 out of 446 minus 0 is equal to what? So here 317 out of 446. 317 minus 317 out of 446 minus 0, you get it answer 317 out of 446. Now next exercise number 4.5, page number 69 to 71. Question number 1, simplify the like fraction. Simplify the like fraction. In this fraction we solve subtraction and addition both together. Here look here, 4 out of 9 plus 2 out of 9 plus 1 out of 9. Here both denominator are same, so write here one type, then 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 out of 9. We get answer 7 out of 9. Now next one, 8 out of 11 minus 3 out of 11 plus 5 out of 11. First the solve subtraction. So 8 out of 11 minus 3 plus 5 out of 11. 8 minus 3, 5 out of 11 plus 5 out of 11. Here 11, 5 plus 5, 10 out of 11. Now next one, same it is 13 minus 7 out of 11 plus 3 out of 18. 13 minus 7. 13, take it 7 finger before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So 6 out of 18 plus 3 out of 18. 6 plus 3 out of 18. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 out of 18. 9 2s are 18. Here 1 left. We get answer 1 out of 2. Next one, first here add the first fractions. So 45, 32 plus 8 minus 21 out of 45. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 out of 45 minus 21 out of 45. 40 minus 21. 3, 10, 9, 1. We get answer 19 out of 45. Now next question, simplify the following fraction. This one is a mixed fraction. So first convert this fraction into improper fractions. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 15, 16 and 17 out of 5. Plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 out of 3. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8 out of 5. First we find here both denominator are different. So first we find LCM of both number. 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5. So LCM is equal to 3 multiply 5, 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Now 17 out of 5 multiply by 3 out of 3 plus 7 out of 3 multiply by 5 out of 5 plus 8 out of 5 multiply by 3 out of 3. 51 out of 15 plus 35 out of 15 plus 24 out of 15. Now add together 15, 51 plus 35 plus 24. 51 plus 35 and 24. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 carry over 1. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11, 110 out of 15. Now this fraction is improper fraction, then convert into mixed fraction. 110 divided by 15. 110 divided by 15. 15 4s are 0, 10 out of 5, 5 here, 0, 35. We get answer is 7, 35 out of 15. 35 out of 15. Now next one here, mixed fraction. First we convert into improper fraction. 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. 43 out of 9 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 out of 6. 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 out of 9. Then LCM. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 18. LCM of 9 and 6 is equal to 18. Then 43 out of 9 multiply by 2 out of 2 plus 13 out of 6 multiply by 3 out of 3 plus 13 out of 9 multiply by 2 out of 2. Now add it here, both denominator are same, so add it. 86 plus 39 plus 26. So 86 plus 39 plus 26. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9, 21 out, carry over 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 151 out of 18. 151 out of 18. We get answer here 8, 7 out of 18. Now next one, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 out of 2 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 out of 3 minus 4 out of 1. LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. 7 out of 2 multiplied by 3 out of 3 plus 7 out of 3 multiplied by 2 out of 2 minus 4 out of 1 multiplied by 6 out of 6. 21 out of 6 plus 14 out of 6 minus 24 out of 6. Now first add the both fraction. 21 plus 14 minus 24 out of 6. Here 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3 out of 6 minus 24 out of 6. 6 35 minus 24 is equal to 5 minus 4 1, 3 minus 2 also 1 out of 6. 11 out of 6, 6 ones are 6, 5. So we get answer 1, 5 out of 6. Now again one time check it. 3, 2 out of 5 plus 2, 1 out of 3 plus 1, 3 out of 5. Here first we find LCM, first we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then find LCM. LCM is equal to 15. 17 out of 5 plus 7 out of 3 plus 8 out of 5. Then first we convert the denominator as the same. So 17 out of 5 multiplied by 3 out of 3 plus 7 out of 3 multiplied by 5 out of 5 plus 8 out of 5 multiplied by 3 out of 5. Then we get answer 51 out of 15 plus 35 out of 15 plus 24 out of 15. So 51 plus 35 plus 24 out of 15. Then we get answer is 110 out of 15. Then another way to solve this answer 15. Then 110 divided by 5 it is possible. So 110. This one and this one 5 out of 10 is divided by 5 out of 10 is possible. So 5 multiplied by 3. 110 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 10. 5 2s are 10. So 22. 22 multiplied by 5. 22 multiplied by 5. So divide it 5 cut and 5 cut. So we get answer is 22 out of 3. Again 22 divided by 3. 3 7s are 21. 1 0. So we get answer 7 1 out of 3. Now another one 4 7 out of 9 plus 2 out of 2 1 out of 6 plus 1 4 out of 9. 43 out of 9 plus 13 out of 6 plus 13 out of 9. LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. Then 43 out of 9. 9 with digit multiply with 18. You get it, answer is 18. So 9 2s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So here both denominator are same. You get it, answer. Both denominator are same. Then add it. 86 plus 39 plus 26 out of 18. 151 out of 18. Then we get answer here 87 out of 18. Then another one, 3 1 out of 2 plus 2 1 out of 3 minus 4. Here first the mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 7 out of 2 plus 7 out of 3. Here no denominator are given. That means you keep here 1. Then LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. 7 2s are 7 out of 2 multiply 3 out of 3 plus 7 out of 3 multiply by 2 out of 2 minus 4 out of 1 multiply by 6 out of 6. 11 out of 6 plus 14 out of 6 minus 24 out of 6 plus we add this both addition. First we addition, take it addition, then you minus, then it minus. 35 out of 6 minus 24 out of 6 is equal to 35 out minus 24 out of 6 is equal to 11 out of 6. This improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. We get answer 1 5 out of 6. Now exercise number 4.6. Number stories. Ramesh ordered 11 out of 12 kg of wood and used 5 out of 12 kg for making a piece of furniture. How much wood is Ramesh left with? Again one time we did it. Ramesh ordered 11 out of 12 kg of wood and used 5 out of 12 kg for making a piece of furniture. How much wood is Ramesh left with? First he ordered this 11 out of 12 kg, then he used it 5 out of 12 kg. So how much wood is left with her? Here we do here subtraction. Total wood is 11 out of 12 is equal to 43 out of 12 kg. Wood used for making furniture. Wood used for making furniture 5 out of 12 kg is equal to 101 out of 12 kg. Then wood left with Ramesh is equal to 143 out of 12 minus 101 out of 12. Then here both denominator are same, so write here one time 143 minus 101. 3 minus 1 2 and 4 minus 0 4. 1 minus 1 0 out of 12. 6 7s are 42 and 6 2s are 12. Cut here 6 and 6. We get answer 7 out of 2. 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1. So 3 1 out of 2 kg wood is left. 3 1 out of 2 kg wood is left with Ramesh. Now next story. Honey baked a cake. She used 4 5 out of 8 cups of flour and 3 1 out of 8 cup of sugar. How much more flour than sugar did Honey use? Cups of flour use is 5 out of 8 is equal to 8 4s are 32 plus 5 37 out of 8. Cups of sugar is equal to 3 1 out of 8 is equal to 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 out of 8. Flour is more than sugar by 37 out of 8 cups minus 25 out of 8 cups. So 37 out of 8 minus 25 out of 8. Here both denominator are same. So we subtract the both numbers directly. 7 minus 5 2 and 3 minus 2 1 out of 8. Here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3 2 za 6, 6 plus 6 2 za 12. Out of 4 2 za 8, 2 2 za 4, 4 2 za 8. 2 cut, 2 cut, 2 cut and 2 cut. Here we get answer 3 out of 2. 3 divide by 2, 2 1 za 2. Here 1. So 1 out of 2 cups more than flour is more than the sugar. Thank you students.